too many bubbles. It is overflowing. Hey, hey, hey. Did you see that word? It is bubble. Say it with me. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Bubble means a small ball of air with liquid around it. Okay, keep watching.
Look, it is everywhere. We cannot stop it.
What happened? Why is it like this? The washing machine is broken.
New word is washing machine. Say with me. Washing machine, washing machine, washing machine. Washing machine means a large machine that uses water and soap to clean your clothes.
The floor is so wet, it is dangerous.
Mom, it is not stopping. It keeps going.
Too much soap. This is very bad.
Attention, the next word is soap. Oh? Say with me. Soap, soap, soap. Soap means what you use with water to wash and clean your body, clothes, or dishes.
Bill, what did you do? Tell me now.
It was not me. I did nothing. You touched the machine. I saw you.
I just pressed a button. I do not know.
Why did you touch it, do you know?
I do not know. I just wanted to try.
Look at this mess. It is your fault. Look, this word is mess. Say with me. Mess. 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 Mess means a place or a thing that is dirty, untidy, or not neat. Okay, let's go back to the story.
It is not my fault. I did not do it.
We must clean this up. Do not wait. Okay. Just clean. Do not talk. Be fast. I need a worker to check the washing machine. It's overflowing. Can someone come immediately?
I am helping. It is not my fault. I am sad. No one understands me. I will go outside. I need time.
Did you hear the door? Maybe it is just the wind.
They do not believe me. I am sad. I tried to help. No one knows.
Someone is knocking at the door.
Hello. I am here to help you.
Hello. Thank you for coming fast.
The machine is broken, soap everywhere.
Okay, I will check it now. There is still too much water here.
Let me look behind the machine. The pipe is loose.
Here is a new word for us to learn. Pipe. Say with me. Pipe, pipe, pipe.
Pipe means a long, round object that carries water or gas from one place to another. Is this pipe broken?
Don't worry, I can fix it. Water is leaking from here. That makes too much soap.
So it was not Bill. Not Bill, I understand now.
Oh no, we were all wrong. He said something we did not listen.
Bill! Come here and help me! He is not here. No answer. He is not in the bedroom. Bill is not in the backyard. This is not good. We must find him now. Bill! Bill! Where are you? Bill! Answer me, please. Where are you?
Mom! Bill is over there.
Bill, we are sorry. We were wrong.
Sorry. Do you really mean it?
It is not your fault. We understand. Thank you, Bill. You tried to help.
It is okay. I am fine now. Come home with us. Let us go.
It is okay now, you can use it.
Thank you so much.
No more bubbles. It is all clean.
It works again. I am so happy. We are safe now. I feel better.
Oh.
We learned many things today.
We will listen more to each other. We help together all the time.
We are a great team.
We are a team. All right. Time to practice together.
Bubbles. Bubbles. Bubbles.
Washing machine. Washing machine. Washing machine. Soap. 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 Mess. 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 Pipe. 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 One more time. Bubbles. Washing machine. Soap. Mess. Pipe. It's easy, right? Now take your pen and write it down.
Thank you for watching our video today.
Please subscribe for more videos. See you again on Play English TV.